You got interrupted. But what you want is a toothpick on the bottle paint to get it to work properly. Now I'll demonstrate. Toothpick. That's what you need, a toothpick. Because nothing else will work. It has to be a toothpick. It's the only thing thin enough to put the paint on the stand, which you'll see here. Hopefully one of those rotations stuck. Should be back where it should be by now. So here you go. You dab it randomly with white all over, up and down. The purpose being to make this stand a white starfield to go with the starfield it's photographed against. And you don't have to worry about a thing. Now, admittedly, some of those stars are closer than others, but you get the idea. Because then, you do this, you get it, put it on the stand now, like so. Turn your overhead light off. Put it against the star field. Careful not to touch the stand, of course. All right. And then take the phone off the stand. Now we see what we get. Well, stand might actually have blended in better if it wasn't painted, but that's an easy fix. All right. So that was the end of that box. So now we look for another one. Determined to empty every box I can and put every box I don't need somewhere else. Somewhere useful. I hope this isn't more model kit. Well, if it's an assembled model kit, I won't be complaining. Like a Bandai Million Scale Superstar Destroyer. See? That's a good piece to find. But it's actually going to go out on the Star Wars show. Alright. Now, let's see what else is in here. Maybe all this paper is little bitty assembled clones. I'll unfold each piece of paper to find out. Not that one. Alright. Oh, this is wrapping something up. I wonder if it's another assembled model that they just stuck in a box and, didn't think about. Star Trek figures. And Spock's calculator. Good. They could have put them in the white drawer tower. That's what it was for. That's probably the rod for the Enterprise E. Well, let's find out. It is. And if you just put this down here, there we go. Got a spare rod, got a spare stand. Okay, another Star Trek picture of model kit shelf. There you go. Now, I am sure that you can angle, not too much, but you can at least have them apart. There you go. Now we continue with what's in the box. Oh, this is Masterverse figures. Well, I already had one. I don't know where it was buried. I guess I'll just put them on the third shelf here. that's a lot of them. But first, you have the 40th anniversary space shuttle model kit, which, quite frankly, I forgot about. And now don't seem to have a good shelf space as to where to put it. But I think I'm going to put it over here with the other space kits, because that's where it belongs. So let me take the Coca-Cola transport trucks over here, put them on the floor beside the table, because it's not like you can use that space for anything else anyway. There. And then you take the 40th anniversary space shuttle kit and you slide it right in here. Now, neither side is going to tell you that from the long axis, but there you go. There you go. Couldn't ask for anything more. All right. So let's see what else. This should be a Masterverse box. So I will pause here, since we've got to more toys, and be right back with that section of the video for today.